Hey guys, we're back at Red River Gorge.
It's been over a year since we've been here in the gorge, so we're really ready to get out and hike. But this isn't just any regular adventure for us. We're actually meeting up with a bunch of fellow outdoor people up on Hanson's Point. Let's go. So it is October 7th. We are heading out to kind of a YouTubers meetup and just general outdoorsmen up at Hanson's Point. And most of them, the majority arrived yesterday on Friday. Of course, I still had to work and Caden still has his classes to attend, so we couldn't make it yesterday. So we came down on Saturday, got down here about 10:30 a.m. Got out to the Pincham-type trailhead where we would be able to hike just a little over 2 miles out to the meetup point. And everything over on the Trail Ridge Road and the Pincham-type trail parking area, it was completely full. Apparently for some reason Tunnel Ridge Road is closed about midways down, so everybody coming out to hike on this beautiful fall weekend that likes to do the trails out there off of Tunnel Ridge Road was all compacted into that one little area, most of them lining up and down the gravel road, which is against the rules and you can be ticketed for. So we weren't going to take chances on that. So we left that area and came around to the Rough Trail trailhead off of the Chimney Rock Road. And found plenty of spots over here. And it only adds maybe a half mile to our hike out to Hanson's Point. So we're going to enjoy the scenery with a lot less people. The one downside to taking this route to get out to Hanson's Point is there's more elevation change. I think we're going to have about 500 foot more elevation gain, and it's all on each side because from where we parked we have to go down to the bottom of the ridge, all the way down to the creek level, and then back up to the other ridge to get up to Hanson's Point. It's a little more climbing. Well, between the ridges down here where all the little creeks crisscross, it's absolutely beautiful area. But now it is time to begin the hike back up. So it's about 55 degrees out right now, but I am sweating just going up this hill. Whew, good workout. All right, we arrived at Signature Rock. I couldn't tell you why they call it that.
Good question.
Good question. And this is a big old exposed sandstone here that for years people have been carving on. We're now on the Hanson's Point Spur Trail. As you can see, it's a very tight trail out here, going through a lot of very small young pine trees. This area had a big wildfire several years ago that took out a lot of the older trees, so that's why you see mostly younger, smaller trees through here. We have arrived at Tent City. I recognize this group. This is Tent City. Look at this. How's it going? Ran into all these hikers coming out of here going, "Are you heading towards Tent City up there?" And I am.
Hey man.
How's it going?
Good.
Good deal. All right, we're hiking through Tent City right now. Got to say hello to some of our fellow adventurers, looking for a spot right now to set up our tent to add to the mayhem. All right, well, we have added our tent to the tent city up here at Hanson's Point. Got our Kelty Far Out 3 up here. And, we need to go do some mingling and walk out to Hanson's Point. Always amazing views there at Hanson's Point. One of the best here in all of Kentucky, in my opinion. It is a very busy day here at the gorge. A lot of people out here like us, enjoying the cooler weather, the changing leaves, just the amazing scenery. All right, we are waiting for a few of our fellow campers to return. They went on some day hikes today that we haven't gotten to say hi to yet. In the meantime, Kate and I are doing a little hike out the Pincham Tight Trail all the way out to where it drops off. And you can see Revenue's Rock on the other side. Now, the last time Kate and I hiked out to Hanson's Point and out to Pincham Tight, the actual gap, was in 2019. We didn't realize it's been 4 years since we've been up here on Hanson's Point. That's definitely too long for such an amazing view. All right, we are at the gap. Straight behind me over here is Revenue's Rock. It's got some amazing views out here. People come up to Hanson's Point and never think to come all the way out to the actual Pincham Tight Gap. You got a straight across view right here of Chimney Rock, as well as Half Moon Rock. It doesn't look recognizable from this angle, but that's it. All right, we're back. See who's back here. I see that hiking guy. I don't see Nicole or anybody yet. I see Mark. How's it going? Good to see you. Yeah.
Right? Safety first, honey.
What?
Like ever.
I could eat Chef Boyardee cold, no problem.
Bugs.
There's nothing wrong with it.
I did that in my young age.
Catfish and bugs.
Nothing wrong with
Yep.
it.
Food. Hey, as Wayne says,
She's like, thinks they're gonna lay on the ground.
One thing I hate, I love Chef Boyardee, I love ravioli.
It should take more than a few minutes to like get set up. No, John. No, that he got called by